Hi guys, I hope you're well because personally I'm doing well. My good name is Agnes. For those who are watching this video for the first time, I'm a content creator and welcome to this family. Thanks so much for your support. So far, we are moving on so well. I've missed you so much for the last 2 weeks I've been away, but I'm back and in this video guys, I'm going to do a simple tutorial about how to use your electric oven. I once did this video about using the whole cooker, and there is this subscriber of mine. Actually, there are a few of them. They have been requesting me to do this video on how to use an electric oven, and I said why not, anything for my subscribers. So let's watch the whole video and we learn together. You're always allowed to correct me and let's do this. By the way, we are still road to 5k subscribers. So far we are at 1.2 and I really appreciate your support. So guys, this is the cooker that I do use. It's Munich. It's 3-in-1, three gas, as you can see, and one electric. And let me tell you guys, my cooker has been misbehaving. As you can see, the top layer has been spilling out. As you can see, even this part over here. But so far, it's serving me. So the first thing that you're supposed to do is to make sure that your socket, there is this part of socket and the cooker part. So the first thing you're supposed to do is put the socket on, and since you're using the oven, you must put the cooker on. Okay, so once you come here, my cooker got these knobs, which are 6 of them. This one is for the timer. These 3 are for the gas. These 3. Then we have this is for the electric cooker. Then this one is for the temperatures. So my oven will only need the temperature and the cooker knob. So then I got these 2 buttons. This is for the lighter of the gas, as you can hear. Then we have this button, which is for the oven, to light the oven. As you can see, the oven light is on. Now this is my oven. The oven comes with these things. This is a rotestro. I don't know if I have pronounced it well. Rotestro. Then we have this, which they work together. Then we have this rack over here. Then it comes with this dress. There are 2 of them. This rotestro always have this plastic knob kenye kanakaa hivi. It is used to hold this one over here. So it's always like this. So as I was saying, this knob here, this cutting, which is plastic, inakusaidia usichomeke na this thing juu ni metallic, na once ikiwekwa kwa oven it always gets too hot. So we also have this cutting here. When you rotate it, inakusaidia ku adjust. Okay, inakusaidia ku adjust once umeweka your chicken here, mostly inatumika ku roast the chicken or maybe a big meat. So mahali unaiweka, after adjusting, you fix it over here. There is always like a hole over here. I don't know if you can see there. Then you remove this plastic thing so that it does not melt inside, because it's always hot over here. So my oven is electric, so the heat comes from up here. So there are two things you can do in the oven. You can roast a meat or a chicken. Then the other thing is baking. So this step is for the roasting the meat. So after fixing your meat, then you close the oven. So after closing the oven, you come now to these knobs over here. As I told you, this is my timer. I'll put it at around 40 to 50 minutes. Then I come to temperatures. I put it at around 180 degrees. Then I put the light button on. So once you open the oven door, you can realize that the lights are on. Then my knob, this rotastro is rotating around so that your chicken can hit both sides, downwards and upwards, and it can cook all over, as you can see. Then you're supposed to put this tray under the rotastro so that the soup can pour on the tray to avoid a lot of mess and to make your work easier while cleaning your oven. Then you close your oven. Yep. Once the chicken is done cooking, there is this timer button you had put it on. There is that sound button that will always appear sorry, I was saying, once the chicken is over, it's done cooking, this timer will go back to 0. Then there is a sound that you'll hear like that. That tells you that the time is over and whatever you're cooking is ready. Then you can come and put the temperatures back to 0 and put the lights off. Yeah, that's all about the roasting of the chicken or the meat in the oven, which is electric. Please forgive me, there is a lot of noise out there. So the next thing that you're supposed to know is about how to bake in an electric oven. So when it comes to baking, you must heat your oven some minutes before, like 10 minutes before or 15 minutes before, depending on the type of cake that you're baking. So while heating before, you'll come to the timer. You'll only use the timer and the temperatures. So you'll heat up to 10 minutes before, then at a degrees of 180 degrees. Yeah, that is when you're baking. You must heat the oven before, like 10 minutes or 15 minutes before. So once 15 minutes are done or 10 minutes, of course this thing will ring. Once it produces that sound, that means the 10 minutes are over. So once the oven is ready and you have already overheated it 10 minutes before, you'll come once again and heat it again for about 40 to 50 minutes, then at a degrees of 180 degrees. Okay, now that's when we want to bake. Now we open our oven. Once we open our oven, we'll use this tray over here like that. Let's assume this is our cake, so we place it over here. We'll place our cake over here. Then we go back to set in our time and our temperatures. Since we had already overheated our oven, we'll come back and set it up to 40 minutes or 45 minutes. Then the temperatures of 180 degrees like that. Yeah, and our cake will go on very well. And once you are done cooking, this knob over here will notify you that everything is ready. Once you want to check in if everything is going on well inside the oven, you'll use this lighter to check. Always avoid opening and closing. Avoid opening and closing your oven while baking or while roasting your meat. You'll interfere with your temperatures. So I hope you have enjoyed this video, and I think I have helped 1 or 2 people over here. Some of my followers have been asking for this video, and I decided why not. And I hope you have enjoyed. Now you know how to roast your meat in electric oven, and also how to bake your cake in electric oven, how to work with the timer and the temperatures, and that's all. And once you are done, don't forget to put off the cooker socket off. Hope you have enjoyed today's video, guys. Thanks for watching up to this far. I really appreciate your support. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thanks for watching my videos, my previous videos. Don't forget to go and watch my other video about using the whole cooker. I did a video about using the whole cooker, about the whole knobs, about how to light on your gas, your electric cooker. Yeah, I've done that. I did that video, and I will leave the link below on my description so that you can go and watch that video. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next video. For now, I have to say bye bye.